once again.
It's James here at Riley's Autos, and we've come here to look at this Nissan at Nissan dealership here in Letchworth. It's losing power and it's also not starting. First of all, we're going to jump start it and move it from this parking space to a suitable location. So we've had a look around the vehicle, and if you look here between this pipe, we've got a split on the boost hose here. I think it's quite a common problem on these cars. So we've taken off this 10mm bolt and we can lift that up. Now we're going to remove this clip. Just pull it up and then we can slide the pipe out. And here we've got a new replacement part. We're going to fit it back on here, and it's just a case of pushing it on here and pushing it in the other side there until it clicks. We've just got a 10mm bolt there and the boost pressure sensor with another 10mm bolt. Now fitted a new battery, and it's an upgraded battery, so it's 75 amp hours instead of the 60 amp hour that was originally fitted. So new boost pipe, new battery, and job all sorted.